and welcome to this Scratch Junior lesson. Scratch Junior is a WYSIWYG programming language for students. You will be able to, by the end of this lesson, utilize the say block in Scratch Junior and, learn your way around the program just a little bit. You may be wondering, why are we learning a programming language and why are we helping our students make games? Well, you probably are aware of your students' own gaming habits. Maybe think of one right now. What's a game that they really like to play? Is it Fortnite? Is it Rainbow Six Siege? Is it Minecraft? What games do they like? And how much time do they spend playing them? You might be thinking, I don't want my student playing this many video games, but Scratch Junior is a little different. Video game developers, people who make these games, are software developers. They write using programming languages and use complex skills to solve problems. They make an average of $87,000 a year in the video game end of things and over $100,000 on the corporate end of things. So Scratch Junior is a really good way to get them started on a career path in programming. We are going to teach you how to do a little bit of that today. When you open up Scratch Junior, the first thing you are going to want to do is click the Home button, which will bring you to your project area. Once you are in the project area, you can create a new project by clicking on this plus button in the upper left-hand corner. This now loads the interface. From here, we're going to engage with several different buttons, but the ones that you need to be concerned about right now are these start blocks, which are in yellow. You can see that the end cap here is closed, which means that you can't connect anything to it. On the right-hand side are the puzzle end of the pieces. These can link together with other pieces. Over here, we have our say block. So notice the little purple person here. The say block has an empty connecting puzzle piece, which means we can connect it to our start block. So once you are in this interface, you want to look at the bottom. Down here is a character. This character is going to move around the screen. We move that character by utilizing start blocks and other programming blocks in what we call a script. A script is the term for any program that can run. Now down here, you'll notice that the blocks snap together. As I click and drag, you can see that the gray box lights up, allowing them to click together. Beneath the say block, there is a little section to enter text. Now you can enter quite a bit of text in this. For instance, if I simply hold down the letter H, it's going to go for quite a ways. And as I run the program up here with the green, the character will then say the letters. Now, notice that I have a lot of H's here, but they didn't all get written out. So let's try something shorter, like, "Hello, world." Once you type your message out, you can click off and click to run the program in the upper right-hand corner. And our character has now said something. If you want, you can add many more things, and the character will, again, say them. "Hello, my name is Dave. I like cookies." Now, this is a very simple program, but when you mix it with the other things that the characters can do, you can see how this program would allow students to engage in some very early programming styles. Let's give you a little 10-second quiz, okay? Take a look at the quiz questions as they pop up and select an answer. You can pause it if you need to and write down your answer. How did you do? Did you get them all right? If you missed something or aren't very confident, go back and watch parts of the video again to help you out. Hopefully this has given you a little insight into the Scratch Junior program, and hopefully you now know how to use the say block, link it to a start block, and run the program, all of which is necessary to utilize just one block in this great little program. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.